Hello everyone and welcome back again to Python programming, and in this particular set of sessions we are performing operations on images. So image processing. In these image processing sessions, in this particular session we will be looking at how we can flip a particular image. So flipping is, it's very simple to understand, but let's see how we can do it using Python. So go to programming and then Genie. So here we have image flipping code, Python code. It's a very good code, and we are going to flip image horizontally, vertically, and horizontal and vertical flipping at the same time. So in these three operations we'll be looking at. So let's get started. Import CV2. We have to import one package, open CV package, and then we are reading the image using imread function. The image input image file is image5.jpg. So before we proceed, we will see what the original image is. Okay, this is the original image. We are going to flip this horizontally and vertically. Okay, all right. So we are reading the image using imread function, and that is defined in CV2. So CV2.imread the input image file name, and then reading into image variable. Okay, and then we want to display the original image before we begin the operation. So I'm using CV2.imshow function, which takes title name string as an string in string format as an input argument, and image which is the variable for input image. Okay, and then CV2.wait key function is used to accept input from the user, and then after which it will proceed further. So for flipping the image we are using CV2.flip function. So CV2.flip function is defined in CV2, and it is used to flip the images. Let's see its image syntax. CV2.flip, which takes input image and flip code as input arguments. So input image, as we already know, we are using input image variable where we have stored the input image, and then flip code used to specify the direction of flipping, and 0 means flipping around x-axis. So any positive value, for example 1, means flipping around y-axis, and negative value means flipping around both axes. So it's going to flip the array. So here I'm going to first take horizontal flipping, because I'm going to write the flip code as 1. So CV2.flip image input image variable, and 1 is the flip code I'm using that will be stored in flipping. So I'm going to show using imshow function and display the horizontally flipped image. Okay, and then waiting for the user to press the key. Okay, after that I'm using the same function but with different flip code. Here this time I'm using 0 because I want to vertically flip the image, and store again in the same flipping variable, and then I'm going to display the vertically flipped image using imshow function. So I have written here different title name this time because it's a vertically flipped image, so I'm writing vertical flipping and comma the flipping variable where we have stored the result of the flip function, and then waiting for the user to proceed using .wait key function. Again I'm using the same function to flip the image in both axes, horizontal and vertical. So for that I have to use a negative value. I'm using here -1 and storing the resultant image into flipping variable, and then I'm showing displaying that using imshow function, as you can see, and then waiting for the again I'm using this statement .wait key function for the user to press any key and then proceed, and then after which it will destroy all windows using CV2.destroy all windows function. Okay, let's go to build and execute and see how we can flip image. Okay, so this is the original image. You can see it's a cruise ship standing still. I'm pressing a key. So this is how we are horizontally flipping this. It's a we can see it as view it as mirror image. Okay, Again I will press the key so that we will get the vertically flipped image. You can compare with the original image. This is what is vertical flipping. Okay, so again I will press the key. I'm going to get vertical flipping as well as horizontal flipping. Both of the operations are present in this image. So I hope this is understood, and dot flip function is very much useful for flipping images, and you can use in your own style of programming and do perform flipping of an image. Hope this understood, and see you in next tutorials.